ugaruruku wa riera kuringana na Mutumia wa gavana wa kaunti ino ya kilifi Suzanna mungaro na uria utongoretie ikereka ria 59 ria utheria wa kaunti ino ni athingatite muingi gukorwo ukinyitanira hari guteithiriria kuthaitira maria maturigiceirie akigathereria na njira nene aria makoretwo makinyita itemi hari kana makoretwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere hari guteithiriria gutheria makiria ndere cia iria mwena uyu orundomwe na guthaitira maria maturigiceirie.
To create a cleaner and a healthier environment for ourselves and for future generations. I am truly honored to stand before you as we gather for the monthly cleanup exercise, as we celebrate our culture and heritage, organized by the Progressive Welfare Association of Malindi and of course other stakeholders. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the members of the Progressive Welfare Association for their unwavering dedication and commitment to making Malindi a cleaner and more beautiful place to live. Your tireless efforts serve as an inspiration to us all, showing that when a community comes together with a shared goal, incredible positive change can be achieved. Our beloved historic Malindi is not just a place we inhabit. It is a reflection of who we are as a community and of our heritage. A clean and well-maintained environment speaks volumes about our values, our sense of responsibility, and our commitment to the well-being of every single resident. Professor Wangari Maathai once said, "It is the little things citizens do that's what will make the difference." Let us continue to work hand in hand, transforming Malindi into a shining example of community-driven positive change. Inawezekana. Thank you, and let's make today's cleanup exercise another resounding success.
All stakeholders, I'm happy to be with you. I'm only 1 month old here, but I'm very happy that Malindi people are good people, very welcoming. First and foremost, as you know very well, there's a global climate crisis, and it's as a result of us messing up with our environment. So this exercise is very important, because the moment we keep our environment clean, we will at least mitigate the...
I'm waiting for the